Yeah,
Okay.
Old Lady Love.
Okay.
As little as much njengoba nami ngenza same thing.
Oh, let me running through your veins.
Mfethu egazini, yeah.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
So ke then kwenzakala wena mfethu kwathi Old Lady malishona.
Uh,
Old Lady lami ishonele la isudwala ukhama emaplazini.
RIP to you, man. RIP to you.
Yeah. La so ukuthi la kwazeka khona.
Omla kwazeka khona.
Yeah,
In front of
kwazeka
you.
khona. Yes.
Ikhula ningakhe ekhaya?
Sikhula
Sikhula indaba yami.
okay right sikhula mina ngikhula nosesi wami ozemva kwami mara khona omdala lo mdala usho ukuthi bekahlala ne-time alanga ngalelo kushini
Oh, the first born there.
i-first born
So-
sho ukuthi ku-oledi ne
3.
ya si-3 mina ngiphakathi nendawo ngi-out
Oh.
and then ukuthama ngiyi-first born
Oh, okay.
uyangithola so-ke then ngizalelwa la yikazi anyway
Oh, kulale omkasana.
yeah
Mayizulu sithamukani. Okay,
IsiZulu.
siyeza lapho. Okay, yeah.
Kahle kahle.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
yeah
Mm.
so-ke wena mza wami kusho ukuthi manje i-oledi uma liceda ukushona
Yeah.
ngazohlala nabo magoga ngisho yazi ukuthi umntwana washonile angahlali ne-time lakhe ngoba i-oledi belingahlali ne-time lakhe my biological my yes my biological father so now what happened is as bengihlala nabo uncle nabo magoga ngasebenzisa esinye isibongo ofithi sakamagoga lesibongo leso sakadube
Okay.
that is why ngalelikazi one ngalingasethandwayo
Yeah.
kunenye indawo umuntu angaraduke lo duke lo
Yeah.
uyangithola
Ngamagogo.
yeah via le shop le mara lapha kamagogo via le family engi-adoptive not the genuine one uyangithola that is why ngibuyele ngithi leyo madlozi story
So wena udalelwa elikazi. Your
Yeah.
mom she's from Likazi.
i-olive lami kusho ukuthi yena ngokuzalwa kwakhe bebahlala eyezweni
Okay.
yeah
Uthame ehlala pha.
uthama ahlale elikazi uzalele elikazi
Okay. So batholana njani oledi?
khona lapho ngoba ithama lisifane kakhulu la igama belisifana la imbodlela wena mfethu
Okay.
ayithanda ukuyisho lo short mara anyway yeah
Okay, say.
right kusho ukuthi uma bathi njengoba ngihlala nabo magogo kuma biological family singaze sifike kule yase-1 because le yase-1 it's not my real family the time ngihlala nama-biological family bathi uma sisuka koma-85 khona lapho ngoba bengingena isikolo ezwelisha ya ngenza grade 1 ya SSB sathi uma sisuka lapho bangisa sayohlala eTatawu komunye umagogo futhi from there sayohlala Mayo Estate. Mayo Estate is amaplaza.
Okay.
Yeah, ngahlala laphayana and then Mayo Estate, you know what happened in my life? It's in 1988.
Yeah.
Yeah, 89. Ngelinye ilanga ngoba benginabangani abantwana bafana babelungu so
Okay.
yeah angeke ngisho amagama wabo ngoba nale plaza sisekhona lapha eState.